obviously a lot about the process of mining for gold. So I want you to cast your minds back to around the middle 1850s, so 1851, when they officially discovered gold in Ballarat. Once they discovered it, a lot of people descended upon Ballarat, and a lot of that surface gold was gone very, very quickly. So what they realised was, there was gold on the surface of the rivers, there was also potentially a lot of gold in the ancient rivers. So what happened with that is they started digging down. Now initially they get to about 20-30 metres.
Tour in galleria.
Can you bloody ass? There it is! Look at that! It's a miracle! A bloody miracle! Boys, come quick! I found one bigger house! Boys, come and lend me a hand! I need to get it out! Oh, yes! What's happening? Oh, you lost your whistle! What? Look, boy, look! Oh, dear life! I never seen such a sight, never! More than 2,000 ounces in it! About 10,000 pounds, I bet! 10,000 pounds!
On the evening of Wednesday, the 9th of June, 1858, he was one of the mine's 22 Cornish owners. Ballarat's gold yield had seriously declined, and the discovery of this spectacular nugget provided welcome relief, so it was named the Welcome Nugget. Found at a depth of 60 meters and weighing almost 69 kilograms,